The Galapagos Islands are a group of volcanic islands located in the Pacific Ocean, about 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador. This remote archipelago is renowned for its unique and diverse wildlife, stunning landscapes, and important role in shaping Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. The Galapagos Islands are home to many fascinating species that have evolved in isolation over millions of years. Giant tortoises, marine iguanas, flightless cormorants, and Galapagos penguins are just a few examples of the endemic wildlife that can be found here. The islands are also a paradise for birdwatchers, with over 50 species of birds, including the famous blue-footed boobies and Galapagos finches. The volcanic origin of the Galapagos Islands provides a range of geological formations and landscapes to explore. From dormant craters and rugged lava fields to pristine white sand beaches and picturesque coastal cliffs, the islands offer a variety of natural wonders to behold. Each island in the archipelago has its own distinct ecosystem, making every visit a unique and unforgettable experience. In addition to its ecological significance, the Galapagos Islands hold a special place in the history of science. It was here that Charles Darwin conducted his groundbreaking research during a visit in 1835. The observations and insights gained from studying the diverse species on the islands played a crucial role in the development of his theory of natural selection and evolution. To preserve the fragile ecosystems and the incredible biodiversity of the Galapagos Islands, the Ecuadorian government has implemented strict conservation measures. Visitors to the islands are required to follow guidelines and regulations to minimize their impact on the environment. This ensures that future generations can continue to appreciate and marvel at the natural wonders found in this unique and extraordinary place. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or a lover of wildlife, a visit to the Galapagos Islands promises an unforgettable experience. Exploring this remote archipelago allows you to witness firsthand the wonders of nature and gain a deeper understanding of our planet's intricate ecosystems.